Hold up.
I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're staying safe at home. Today I want to talk about the reason why most people fail. It's not always about the diet plan. It's not about the kind of job you have. It's not about the designation you have. It's about the goal. When you find yourself constantly failing, and all of us fail, failure isn't a bad thing. But when it constantly happens, that you're jumping on from one diet plan to another because you can't lose weight, okay, you're changing one job, jumping from one job to another because you keep having problems at every workplace that you have. The same thing with your relationships. You jump from one relationship to another. It starts off well and then it's back to the same old crap that happened in the previous relationship. Or when we're constantly depressed because we're trying to find a life purpose and we can't do that. Why do we fail? There are three things that you need to remember when it comes to achieving any goal. All of us have little goals. Some of us don't even know what we want in life. So if you don't know what you want in life, life's going to throw you anything and everything. So that's your fault. Unless you have a goal to achieve something. They don't have to be grand goals. They can be the smallest goals. As simple as, I want to be healthy. I want to have a strong immune system. I want to live a long quality life. Now, what are the actions that I'm required to take? I want to have a happy career where I have a work-life balance, I have money to feed myself, buy myself some nice things, look after my family, but I don't want to sell my soul to the company. Okay? What are the actions I should take for that to happen? In my personal life, my goal is to be a good human being, to have an adventurous life, to also enjoy myself. What are the action points that I need to take? Finance. Okay, what do I need to have a comfortable life? What's the kind of wealth I need to achieve? And how do I do it the right way, the honest way? Have an action plan. Now, when do people fail? You have a goal that you want to achieve, and you have the starting point where there's a goal, and I start today with my process to achieve that goal. Between the goal and the starting point is a path. That is the process from the starting point to reach the goal. Most people fail in committing to that path, committing to that process. The goal doesn't change unless you change the goal. The starting point can be today, tomorrow, day after. It could have started a year ago. But the path and the process is where most people fail. They do not commit to the path or the process. They don't understand that before starting the journey towards achieving a goal, that the path or the process will have ups and it will also have downs. It will have wins and it will have losses. There will be easy days and there will be difficult days. That is how the path and the process is going to be. You may start off with a certain action plan, but circumstances change. Are you willing to put in the effort to change the plan or change the process that is required to take you to the goal? It may require more effort. It may require more thinking, more physical work, more sacrifice when it comes to free time. Are you committed to the process? Everyone starts off with a weight loss goal. For example, they're given the path and the process, but they don't commit to the path and process. They start off with the first day, the second day, the first week, the second week, and then they say, oh, this is too slow, or I don't want to do it this way, and they start searching for a whole new path, not committed to the path. No one ever told you that the path will give you things the way you want it to be, when you want it to be. No one told you that the path that you follow is going to say that, oh, you did this, Luke, you're going to get the results tomorrow at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You're going to get this next year on January 21st. No, it's an unforgiving path. And that's why there are very few winners and mostly people who do not succeed or lose because they're not committed to the path. Look around you. The world wants everyone to believe that everyone is a winner today. But that's not true. You know, you're living a lie right then because everyone doesn't win. A few people win. And when you look at what goes behind them winning, you will see commitment to the path. Everyone wants love. Everyone wants to get into a relationship. No one wants to commit to the path of what the relationship throws you. There'll be days that you have to forgive. days that you'll have to show tolerance, days that you have to be calm, days that you find you need to express yourself, days when you hurt one another. All of that is part of the process. If you don't commit to it, and the smallest bump you have in your relationship and you decide to throw it away, that's how you keep moving from one bad relationship to another. Of course, sometimes if that bump is real and it's harming you, you're going to make that decision. But when you have a goal in mind and you commit to the path, it works. Everyone is searching for motivation. Motivation is only for people who have not yet committed to their goal. Once you've committed to your goal, you don't need motivation. You're driven. You're already driven. You don't have to wake up. Like, let's say you start a business today. Okay, you start a bakery business. Okay, if you have to motivate yourself every day when you wake up to go to your bakery and bake, okay, right then you know you failed. But if you wake up and you're driven to go to that bakery because it is your goal to make it successful, you don't need motivation to do what's going to take you to the goal. You need inspiration. So you seek inspiration to continue your journey even when it's difficult. You seek inspiration to continue with your fat loss journey even when the fat loss is slow, even when your body's tired, even when the food seems to be boring, but you commit to the process. If you have to be motivated to build your career, you failed right then. Your goal is not powerful enough. Your goal is not exciting enough. Understand one thing. It is what you assign value to. If you buy a diamond ring today, you protect it, you look after it, you put it in the safe deposit, you lock it up in the safe, you make sure you wear it to safe places. You will care for it so much. Why? Because you've assigned value to that diamond. This is valuable to me. Being motivated to build your career or build your health is not about motivation. It's about you assigning value. So someone who doesn't look after their health has not assigned value. Their health isn't important to them. Someone who's messing up in their career, they're not willing to commit to the path. It's not important for them to succeed, and that's okay. You are responsible for the consequences of your actions and your decisions. Remember that. You know, I can't go and tell everyone you have to be healthy. You need to do this for your own health. No, they can do what they want as long as they're willing to take responsibility for their actions and responsibility for the consequences. So motivation is a lie. You feel good. I watch motivational videos to feel good for 10 minutes, but I try to derive inspiration from it to help me get through the tough times and to help me keep going even when I want to stop going. That is inspiration. Look for inspiration. Look for small wins. Everyone's trying to win everything. Everyone wants to build $1 billion empire, but they're not willing to commit to the process. Everyone can have big dreams, but how many people are building them? You have to start looking for the small wins. I want to get healthy. Can I wake up today and do a 30-minute walk? That's a win. I want to be more calm. Can I get up today and do 5 minutes of meditation? That's a small win. You did it, it's a win. Celebrate it. Tomorrow you do 10 minutes, that's a bigger win. And when you put all these little wins together, that's how you begin to win at life. But when you put this unrealistic goal, I need to lose 10 kilos, Luke, because I have a shoot in 1 month and I need to look good. We can't help you. I'm sorry. It's not going to be possible. You have to celebrate small wins in a realistic way. People are making unrealistic demands. Today, they want to be someone in life. Then they spend 15 minutes on Instagram and they want to be 10 things in life. It's not possible. It is possible if you start breaking them down into small little wins. If you want to take more on your plate in life, you have to also learn to build a stronger body and a stronger emotional state of mind so you can handle more stress. If you try to get into the arena of stress and take in more and more in your life, but you're weak emotionally, you are going to crumble. If your heart is not strong enough, it is going to crumble. If your organs are not strong enough to support you, they are going to crumble. So it all comes down to whatever your goal is, let it be the largest goal in life. Are you ready to commit to the process? Because everyone failing over and over again, or everyone giving up, is not because it was a difficult goal. It is because they decided not to commit to the process that takes them to the goal. So remember, everyone doesn't win. It doesn't mean you don't start the process. The day you decide to give up is the day you failed. You've truly failed. Failure is good when it teaches us a lesson and we get up and we go out there. But when the day we've given up, it only means that we want to be more comfortable and we no longer want to put in effort. We want everything to come conveniently to us. We don't want to put in effort. We do not want to commit to the path. So again, motivation is when you have not yet decided to commit to your goal. Motivation is when you've not yet decided to commit a certain amount of effort, a certain amount of discipline, a certain amount of your life, a certain amount of sacrifice to achieve the goal. When you don't do that, you know your goal is not strong enough. It's not powerful. It hasn't got the value that you've assigned it. So today, if there's anything that you want to achieve in life, a better relationship, how much of value are you deciding to assign to that? And how much of commitment are you deciding to put into the process that builds a healthy relationship? The same thing with your health. The same thing with your finance. The same thing with your personal growth. There's a goal which you should know crystal clear. It should excite you. You should already be able to feel how it would be when you realize that goal. If you can't feel it now, your goal is weak. You should be able to feel that when I reach this goal, this is how I'm going to feel. So a goal with clarity, a starting point. When am I going to start? Today, tomorrow? Am I going to wait for New Year, the 1st of January? Have your start date. And then between the goal and between the start is a process or a path that you need to commit to, no matter what the path throws you. Sadness, happiness, difficulties, no matter what, you have to stay committed to the path. If you start looking for shortcuts and easy way outs and convenience, you've already decided to fail. There is no way you are reaching your goal. So today, you introspect on every goal that you cannot achieve. There are always small wins. There are almost always small wins even in my most critical patient. A 4th stage patient going through chemotherapy with 6 months left to live. What are the wins that this patient can achieve? Even a little more energy to walk and talk is a win. Even a little more energy to spend some quality time with family is a win. Even a little more improvement in nutrition so that the side effects don't decrease the quality of life is a win. You have to look for the wins in your life. We're just focused on looking for everything that's going wrong. We're just trying to look for the things that don't go wrong, the difficult things, the things that are obstacles, or we're too focused on the big dream, but we're not willing to put in the work. We want the weight loss desperately, but we're not willing to put in the work. We're not willing to break it down into small little wins with patience. If someone promised you a quick fix, it's because they want your money. It's as simple as that. The world works on quick fixes and convenience. We pay for convenience. We pay for convenience. It's a business model. But we know there are no shortcuts at the end of the day. Where you have to put in the work, you have to put in the work. So today, again, like I said, introspect. Okay, how strong is your goal? Does it excite you? Or do it this way. Where are you failing right now in life? There's only one thing you need to do. Revisit your goal and revisit your commitment to the path. It is never going to be an easy path. There is no winner in this world who has won it easy. Some people have won it easy. We see it, oh, they won it easy, and then all of a sudden you find out that it was a fraud. They defrauded someone or something or whatever, and they're no longer winners. Don't be that winner. Don't be the shortcut winner. You be a winner who builds with patience, with grit, determination, sacrifice, everything that the other world is trying to sell you with comfort. That, oh, there's no need to work out, lose weight just doing this. Yeah, take this pill. No need for the gym anymore. Yeah, you can't sleep at night. Here's a sleeping pill that will help you sleep better. You become the loser. You become the victim. You become the consumer. You become the product. There is no shortcut in life when you want to achieve real success. You want temporary success? You can achieve that in 3 to 4 days. By living a lie, by selling a lie, by acting a lie to society. But if you really want to see where you're failing today, you'll find that it lies in your commitment to the process and you giving up a little bit too early. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, and breathe deep. And remember, you care is all about you.